Most people think skipping one workout doesn't matter, and they're right, for a day. But the moment you stop training, your body starts to change. Not just the muscles, your brain, hormones, and metabolism all shift into reverse. Let's break it down, day by day, week by week. What really happens when you stop? One day. Physically, nothing changes. Strength stays the same and recovery might even help. But mentally, the loop breaks. Training triggers dopamine and discipline. Skipping once resets that circuit. Your brain learns that rest feels good. Maybe too good. Tomorrow, resistance feels heavier. Not in your body, but in your mind. You haven't lost strength yet. You've lost rhythm. If you're learning something new, hit subscribe, because every week we break the myths that hold your strength back. 1 week. The system starts to forget after 7 days. Performance quietly declines. You can still lift, but it feels awkward. Muscle glycogen drops, meaning less explosive power. Resting heart rate creeps up. Mitochondria slow down. Cardio endurance dips. You tire faster. And mentally, the habit weakens. Each missed day reinforces the same message. Not training is normal. That's how 1 week turns into 3. 3 weeks. By week 3, losses are measurable. Studies show strength can fall by 10 to 15%. Neural efficiency fades. The brain-to-muscle signal weakens. Fast twitch fibers shrink first, reducing power and speed. Blood volume drops. Oxygen delivery slows. Weights feel heavier, breath shorter, focus scattered. Even hormones shift. Testosterone dips, cortisol rises. Your body isn't quitting. It's adapting to your silence. 1 month. After 4 weeks, the transformation is visible. Muscles flatten, metabolism slows. You burn fewer calories per day, so fat creeps in even if diet stays the same. Insulin sensitivity drops, recovery takes longer, joints feel stiffer. Start to feel older, slower, weaker. You didn't lose your gains by accident. You told your body, we don't need them anymore. The science of comeback. Now the good news, your body never forgets. Muscle cells keep their nuclei, the memory cores of growth. Start training again and those cells reactivate fast, rebuilding strength in weeks. That's muscle memory. It's why comebacks happen faster than first builds. But there's a rule. The longer you wait, the slower the spark returns. Don't punish yourself, just return. The system still remembers how to fight. How to return right. When you come back, forget punishment workouts. Drop the load 20 to 30%. Rebuild form, focus on control, and move often. Your first mission isn't domination, it's reactivation. You're reminding your body, not breaking it. Within 2 weeks, strength rebounds if you stay consistent. Your body is waiting for your next command. The final truth. Skipping 1 day won't destroy you. Skipping your comeback will. The body forgives, but it doesn't wait forever. Strength is loyal, but only to those who show up. So if you've stopped, don't apologize. Pick up the bar, start small, rebuild. Because in fitness, the only real failure is to stop returning. You know what happens when you stop. Now learn how to rebuild faster than before. Don't miss the next one. It might be the boost that saves your progress.